Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use group by in Excel. So we have this table here, a sample data, and we have a sale data here, and we would like to group it by a month. So as you can see here, we have multiple sales on each month, and we would like to get the summary grouped by a month. So we have a different methods. Let's see one by one how do we get it. Let's see the first one. Group by month using summary function. Alright, so for this we will create a summary table here. So it looks like this month. Okay, so easier calculation, I'm going to use numbers instead of the name of the month, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 represents January, 2 represents February, right? So now, okay, so before that, we would like to calculate the month value here as well. So how do we calculate? Using the month function, function. Okay, now apply the summary function. Okay, range is nothing but the criteria range. On which range you're going to apply the criteria. So I'm going to select the month value here, this range, and then criteria will be this, and then the range on which the sum should be calculated. So obviously the sale amount. Okay, here a couple of things to be noticed. So we have two range value and one individual value, right? So this range value should be absolute value. That means absolute reference. I'm sorry, not absolute value, but absolute reference. So you can make it absolute by attaching dollar like this. So I just pressed F4. Okay, do that here as well, and here as well, here as well. So this is to make sure that when you drag the formula, it will be intact. The reference will be intact. Okay, so as you can see here, for January we don't have anything, and also for April we don't have anything. Alright, so this is how you calculate the monthly summary. Group the values, group the sum, or group it by some criteria. Okay, so let's see now the second method using subtotal. This is again even simpler, but it looks cluttered. Your data look bit cluttered. Let me copy over to a new sheet. Okay, again I need a new column here. Make sure that the data is in sorted mode. So we are interested in this column, so I'm going to sort based on this column, that's month column. So it's already sorted, so it's okay for now. So now go to data and then subtotal. So I'm using Office 365 latest version, so the formula is available here, the option is available here. But if you are using a different version, you better go with a shortcut. So press Alt D together and then press B. So this is the shortcut for Subtotal. It will work in any version of Office. So now this is the dialog box for Subtotal. So you have three options to choose. One at each change. I mean based on what you should group the summary. So obviously based on what I'm gonna group the summary. And what function you want to use? So you can use the max, mean, average, all those things, but I'm interested in sum. And value to be summed. It should be same amount. So that's the only value we have in currency main amount. So yeah, that's it for now. Don't worry about these things. As you can see here, it says replace the current total, but we don't have anything, so we don't have to worry. And page break between groups is to this is useful when you print the values. Print the report. So as of now we're not gonna print, so ignore this. Summary below table. So it's ticked. That means the grand total it will add. So just do that. Okay. All right. So here it is. So we have three tabs here. The first one is executive summary at the grand total, and the second tab is the subtotal which we are interested in. So it says two total, three total, five total, but obviously you can convert that into a month, something like February total, March total, or May total. So for that you may have to do additional stuff. Let me show you that as well. So this is the full details. Okay, so what you want to do with this? If you want to exactly the month name, so you need to add some more functionality to this. Let me show you that. Uh, okay, let me see if it works. Yes, it works. So instead of this, you just take a VLOOKUP and it's a bit additional stuff, but if you really want, you can use this. Otherwise, you can go ahead with simple numbers. Sorry. So what's the first thing? The lookup value, right? So it's one of this. I'm clubbing multiple formulas here. Exact match. Okay. Now this should be true because I'm interested in the second column, not the first column. Yep. Yeah. This is where we have problem. I was telling right, absolute reference and relative reference. So now I'm gonna change this to absolute reference. Should be fine. Yep. So you can hide this if you don't want to show this. Okay, now again Alt B, Alt G, sorry, B, and then it's already tagged. Okay, this looks even better. So the February total, March total, mirror. Yep, that's how you do using the subtotal method. Okay, let's see the last method that's using pivot table. So pivot table is even simpler, but the problem is it again looks even uglier. I would say. Okay, let's copy over this data. Cherry sheet. So select everything, go to pivot power, sorry, insert, should be under insert and then pivot table. Alright, it's selected. You have multiple options. You can choose where should the pivot table go. Okay, I'm going to select the existing one. Okay, the location. No, we don't know that. Yeah, so it will give you an option to manipulate however you want. By default, it's created a template. So now I'm going to select this and then month. So okay, so basically you need to say where it should go. So the value should be this and the column should be month or rows. Yeah, it looks better. So you have more options here basically. Not the one I wanted. Yep, as you can see here, this is the value is in numbers, the month names, but you can convert that into a text. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.